Welcome. Today, we dive into the delightful world of Blooming Memories cracker kits. These enchanting creations are not just your ordinary party crackers. Within each Blooming Memories cracker lies a delightful surprise, a charming seed packet, promising the gift of nature's beauty and wonder. From Christmas and birthdays, and even weddings and christenings, Blooming Memories cracker kits are perfect for any special occasion. Imagine the joy of your friends and family as they crack open these treasures and discover not just the immediate pleasure of a surprise, but the promise of a future filled with blooming flowers. It's a gift that keeps on giving. A memory that blossoms over time. Here's a simple guide on how to assemble our crackers. Are you ready to get started? You'll notice the cracker boards have these little diamonds at the necks. Gently push these out. But be careful, the cracker boards can tear around these diamonds if handled too roughly. So, tread lightly and take your time. Patience is key here. Push out the diamonds on both ends of the cracker. And now we are ready for the next step. With the cracker board still designed side down, it's time to place your snap. Align it along the length of the flat cracker board, making sure each end of the snap sits evenly on the handles. Now, secure the snap at both ends. You can use glue or strong sticky tape for this. If you opt for tape, you'll need to put it along the snap and not across. This small detail guarantees a resounding bang when the cracker is pulled. Then, under the snap, place a seed packet, party hat, and don't forget the joke cake. Because what's a cracker without a good laugh? Next, we'll give the cracker its shape. Gently roll it to join the middle tab and the two end tabs into the slots. You have to jiggle it slightly to get a secure fit and line the cracker ends up. Again, be extra careful to avoid tearing the crackers where the diamonds have been removed. This area is the most delicate part of the cracker. Next, secure the neck of the cracker with a piece of raffia string. Slowly and gently pull the string until you feel the cracker is completely secured. Keep it tight but remember not to over-tighten. Tie it in a knot. Then repeat this process on the other neck of the cracker, being careful that none of the contents slip out. Use a pair of scissors to snip off the longer ends. Now, for the final touches to your Blooming Memories cracker. Let's dive right in, shall we? Twist a pre-made bow around each cracker neck. Make sure it's twisted tightly. Tuck in or snip off any excess. This little detail adds a touch of elegance to your Blooming Memories cracker. And just like that, we're done. You've just assembled your very own Blooming Memories cracker. A beautiful craft project that's not just a joy to create, but also a delight to share. Repeat all these steps for each cracker board. And voila! Your Blooming Memories crackers are ready for your special occasion. Just imagine the surprise and delight when your guests discover the beautiful seeds inside. The joy of growing beautiful flowers from those seeds. A gift that truly keeps on giving. We'd love to see your creations and hear about your experience. Share your tips and photos in the comments below. Visit www.bloomingmemories.co.uk to purchase your very own Blooming Memories cracker kits.